Hello everyone, I'm Charan Goyantla and this is Abhinav. We both are students here at Gatik Junior College, MPC second year. We both have taken the integrated program of AI along with our field of study, and we can't be more grateful for what we have done. In this day and age, any aspiring computer engineer would definitely voice their regrets about not being able to start coding at an earlier age. I have always been curious about the tech side, but never had the chance to fully explore it. But here in Gatik, my passion finally ignited. We have opportunities such as workshops, national level hackathons, and also we hosted a hackathon ourselves. And the best part, we only continue to learn. Our teacher, Mr. Anand, the CTO of Terrasoft, has always taught us up-to-date tech, and he has wholly and completely changed my perspective on the field of AI. And I truly can't be more grateful for what he has done.
This course has really helped me to learn real world skills. With the help of this course, I have learned languages like Python and JavaScript. And with the skills that I have acquired, I also got the chance to work at Aiden AI as an intern. I'm truly grateful for Gatik for that opportunity. And myself, I'm a tech lead at Explorer 2025. So this course really makes you future ready with the skills. As Sharon was talking about our teacher Anand sir, he really taught us up-to-date stuff about the AI and what is happening around the world. So we both are really thankful for Gatik Junior College for giving us this wonderful opportunity.